Hey everybody, Ronnie here. So, I just have one of those lives right now. Here, let's see if we can actually get a good view of this on here. Here you can see my thing. Here's my windshield. Yeah. Very nice. And my dash, so that everybody can see it, all lit up like a Christmas tree. Isn't that nice? So here I am sitting here, can't go anywhere, freeway's closed, and I'm not gonna chance it in this with no traction control. So I'm going to be late on this load. Hopefully they'll understand. I had a couple of questions here. Hood Chef, like your stuff. Everybody, go over, give Hood Chef a subscribe. He's a good guy. But about when I did the call with Peterbilt, said that's going to kill a paycheck. He's not wrong. That was definitely not good and definitely not fixed yet. So I guess I'm going to be speaking with Peterbilt again on the phone. Hope I pronounced that. Do they have a fuel surcharge? I talked with the recruiter and he started acting like he didn't speak English when I asked. No, they don't. There is no fuel surcharge. The way that you can save money on fuel is by getting your own discount card, using a discount program like NATSIC, or just using Mudflap. Okay, it's free, it's on your phone, and generally save $100 or more every time I fuel. So definitely check into those options. Mark asks, what days do they have orientation on? They have orientation starting every single day, 7 days a week. The place that does the drug tests is not open on the weekends. So you can start on a Saturday or Sunday, but you're not going to do your drug test until, it's not a blood test, it's a urinalysis. But you're not going to do your drug test until Monday, and it won't come back until Tuesday morning. Matthew asks, do the trucks come with refrigerators? Sometimes. Mine's got a fridge right here. The Volvo that I was driving as a loaner when the Freightliner was broken, it had one over on the other side. And the Freightliner that I started with did not come with a refrigerator. I had to buy one. I went to Walmart, picked one up for like $100. Scott, wise words from a wise man. Thanks. I'll take that. FRB, my friend, can you make a video about why you changed the truck? How much did you pay before and how much do you pay now for this other truck? Be safe and thanks. Thank you for the be safe. The reason I changed the truck, I quit. Okay, I had an issue. I quit. I was gone for 2 weeks and came back because the issue got fixed. It was an insurance issue, a personal insurance issue, and I was able to get that fixed. The pay did not actually, or how much I paid for the trucks didn't change. I pay $700 a week for the truck. They were both 2023s, and for 2023s, you're going to pay $700 a week. Mark, hey brother, what was the highest net so far this year? Thanks for sharing. I actually showed my highest net so far this year. I was just a hair over $4,000. The freight market the rates are just awful right now. not expecting to do that consistently until the summertime, realistically speaking. It's not too hard to hit 3,000 a week. David, do you get paid a fuel surcharge? Once again, no. All right. Let's see here. No, my truck's not fixed. The last time it was in the shop in Spokane, we thought it was fixed. They found the speed sensor backed out, and the sheath that it slides into, it wasn't holding it in place. They changed the sheath, tested the speed sensor, and said everything looked good. Took it for a test drive. I hopped in the truck, hooked back up to my trailer, started on down the road. Made it about 300 miles before the dash went again. All right, Chris, do you need anything about hauling hazmat and reefer there? I was told I could do it as a dedicated driver. Just want to know if it's a difference in pay. I don't know. I don't do a hazmat. I don't have the endorsement. Hazmat generally pays better, okay, for a reason. It's hazardous. But yeah, if you've got a reefer, you can haul anything the dry van can haul, plus the reefer stuff. If you have a hazmat endorsement, then you can actually accept hazmat loads. And like I said, the hazmat tends to pay a little bit better. So there you go. Hope you get better soon. Oh, yeah, that was when I first broke down. That was bad. And then as a bonus, I got sick that weekend. My kids gave it to me. They're evil little craps. I love them, but they gave it to me. And that was a really bad weekend. Okay. I had to break my rules and keep my truck close to the truck stop because I couldn't be that far from the bathroom. When it was time to go, it was time to go. But I got better. I'm happy. Igor asks, hello Ronnie. Question, where did you install your inverter? It's installed right here. It's on the wall between the driver's seat and the where the storage is. It's installed to the wall of the storage area. It were guys from Super Ego shop, or you went to some shop who okay. Where did I have it installed, not where did I install it. Yeah, I took my inverter with me to Super Ego this last time, and after I picked out my truck before I got my first load, I asked them to have the shop install my inverter. If you do that, they'll be more than happy to. Just make sure everything's there that they need, okay? The inverter, any insulators, all the wires, okay? If you're missing anything, then they won't be able to install it. The first time I installed this, it was in my Freightliner, and I just did it myself, okay? The hardest part is drilling a hole in the floorboard, and then of course you snake your wires through and you have to seal the hole. But it's not really hard. It's not rocket science. But yeah, I hear that most of the shops won't do it for you. Okay, if you go to a Love's or a TA and go to the shop and say, hey, listen, I've got this power inverter, will you install it for me? With the intention of paying for the service, of course. They'll let you know, I can't do it. And if it is installed incorrectly, then yes, that would be a problem. I-80 Wyoming has been really snowy and icy this year. Yeah, and it's really snowy and icy right here, right now. I'm in Minnesota. So, yeah, it's snowy and icy. They got the freeway shut down. And like I said, I wouldn't be driving right now anyway without traction control. They pull an ego in every way station, especially for driver inspections. No, I did get pulled in for that level 3. There was nothing to it. Just brought my binder in, gave her my CDL and med card. She went and typed some stuff in the computer, said, "Have a nice day." And I was back out. Not a biggie. Anyhow, yeah, that's about all I got right there for new comments and questions. If you have a comment or a question, absolutely put it in the description down below, or in the comments down below. I can't think today. And if you have an interest in joining Super Ego, or just want to actually ask your questions to me personally, there's my phone number right there. And I will also put that in the description down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.